I'm Padmavati and I'm from Computer Science Department. My register number is UR15CS363 and I'm here to demonstrate the structure program. Uh, First we'll see the date. It starts with the header file hash include IOStream, then using namespace standard, and we instead of int we used struct date in structure program, and it will be the value will be initialized as int day, int month, and int year. Then again the value is initialized by int main, then date d1, then cout enter the day, month, year to display in a proper format, and seeing day 1 into day 2, day 1 into month, and day 1 into year, and see how the date is day 1 into day 1 into month, and day 1 into year, and then return 0 so that the value is returned, and then close the program. And if you give build and run, the output is verified as enter the day, month, year to display in a proper format. If we give the day as 3, month as 9, and the year as 97, the date is 3/9/1997, and the output is verified. Then the second program, distance, and if you go to distance, it starts with the header file as hash include IOStream using namespace standard, and here instead of date we use distance because it's a distance program, struct distance, and here we are finding out the person's feet and inches through int feet and float inches. So if we give int once, the next will be float, and then int dist is equal to dist1 and dist2. There are two values we have to initialize, and then int main, the two values will be dist1 d1 and dist d2. Then the same thing, cout enter the first distance value in feet and inches, then in d1 into feet and d1 into inches, cout enter the second distance value in the feet inches. So the second value is given, and the cin will be d2 into p2 and d2 into feet, and the distance is d1 comma d2. Then again, if you give int this d1 and this d2, the same thing, the first distance value is greater, and if the second value if you give is greater, will be the second distance value is greater, or else if you give the second value as greater, means it will come as a second distance is greater, or both the distance are equal, or first distance is greater. There are three options anymore, so we have to give return 0 and then close bracket, and if you give build and run, the output will be like enter the first distance value in feet and inches. So if you give as 20 and 3, it asks for the second distance value, and if you give as 19 and 4, and the first distance value is greater, and the output is verified. And if you go for the third program, time, we'll take this as hash include IOStream using standard, and here we use struct time, and that we use struct date, struct distance, and here we use struct time. And same thing we used in distance. In the distance was feet and inches. In time we use hours, minutes, and seconds. The same thing in main int I, and the value will be initialized again. Then time t1, the time t1 will be given as 10. Then enter the number of instances. We have to enter how much instances we have to undergo. Then enter the number of hours. Then enter the number of minutes. Then enter the number of seconds. Then each and every time these hours, minutes, and seconds will be initialized, and the formula will be given as total is equal to t1 I dot hours into 3600 plus t1 I in dot minutes into 60 plus t1 I dot seconds, and the total number of seconds will be equal to the total value given, and then the value will return 0. Then we have to close the program and give build and run. The output will be verified, and if you give the instance as 1, it asks number of hours. If you give number of hours as 2, minutes as 30, and seconds as 60, the total number of seconds will be 9060. Thank you. Nandi.